In this video, I'll be solving the first part of third problem of UPSC Civil Services Mains 2022 Statistics Paper 1. So, how large a sample must be taken in order that the probability will be at least 0.90, that the sample mean will be within 0.4 neighborhood of the population mean, provided the population standard deviation is 2. So, let's say the population mean is mu, and population standard deviation is given. So the population standard deviation, so given as sigma, which is 2. So now suppose for a sample of size n, so this sample mean, if we find the variance of this sample mean, so that is nothing but sigma square by n, which is 4 by n. So we want probability that xn minus mu less than or equal to 4, like in the 0.4 neighborhood, so less than or equal to 0.4, less than 0.4, to be greater than or equal to at least 90, 0.90. So that means this probability that xn minus mu, mod of xn minus mu less than 0.4 is at least 0.90. So that is equivalent to probability that mod of xn minus mu greater than or equal to 0.4 is less than or equal to 0.10. So by using Chebyshev's inequality, so I can say probability of mod of xn minus mu greater than or equal to 0.4 is less than or equal to variance of xn bar by 0.4 whole square. So that is nothing but 4 by n by 0.16, which is 25 by n. So 25 by n is less than or equal to 0.10. That means n is greater than or equal to 250. So by using Chebyshev's inequality, we are getting a safe choice, which is 250. Now we can also use central limit theorem. So if we use central limit theorem, so that means normal approximation. So for a large value of n, so probability of mod of xn minus mu less than 0.4, that is nothing but probability that xn minus mu by, so the sigma here is 2, so less than 0.2. The sigma here is, what is the variance? 4 by n. So this is 4 by n if I divide 2 by root n. So is less than 0.4 by 2 by root n. So that means this is approximately 2 times phi of 0.4 root n by 2 minus 1. So that means 2 times phi of 0.2 root n, or individual one. So this one is greater than or equal to 0.95, because 2 times this thing is greater than or equal to 0.90. So that means we are getting this CDF of 0.2 root n is greater than or equal to 1.90 by 2. So that means phi of 0.2 root n is greater than or equal to 0.95. So that means 0.2 n is greater than or equal to the z score at 0.95, which is nothing but 1.645. So that means square root of n is greater than or equal to 8.225. So n is greater than or equal to 8.225 square. So that means n is approximately 68. So the Chebyshev is giving us a guaranteed bound. So this is useful generally when we have non-normality assumption. But central limit theorem is giving us much smaller sample, but it is asymptotic. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.